Hello everyone and welcome, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to fix ElevenLabs unusual activity detected error. The first thing that you should do is simply go and search for ElevenLabs on your browser. And now we want to go and let's say that you have a problem generating a voice. You want to go and click on these three vertical dots. Then you want to go and click on settings. Then go and search for cookies. Then you want to go and click on delete all the data, just like so. Then you want to go and open the third-party cookies. Then you want to select see all site data and permissions. Then you want to use the search in order to find ElevenLabs. So copy the name like so, then search for it here. Then open a new tab and delete the cookies for ElevenLabs. And after doing that, you should restart the page and check if the issue is fixed or not. And most probably it will be fixed in most cases. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.